Ladies and gentlemen, the time has finally come. I would like to present to you Project Lockout, the first project car of Brady's Garage and certainly won't be the last. Join me on this adventure of joy, grief, regret, fun, and honestly any emotion your mind can possibly think of. This is a car I was told doesn't start and hasn't run in over a year. I'm not too sure what I've gotten myself into, but I'll be sharing it with everyone who cares enough to watch. I hope everyone watching enjoys this video and this series, and just to remind everyone that the majority of people who watch my videos are not subscribed, and that if you do enjoy the content you see here, please don't hesitate to subscribe. It helps me out a ton. Anyways, enjoy the video. Hey y'all, welcome back to Brady's Garage. In today's video I'm picking up such a special car, and it's going to be the start of a new journey on this channel. New project, new journey, whatever you want to call it. I'm very excited. There's a lot of rain coming, so it's going to be a hell of a journey. It's like a 2-hour drive. I'm bringing y'all along for the ride. Here she is. Look at this. It's clean as fuck, actually. They gave me $100 back. Well, that's actually so nice. These wheels, man, they look great. I just need some cleaning. It's missing a wheel bolt there. Got some slotted brake rotors. Oh man, 17-inch wheels, 235 45s in the rear, Hancooks too, nice. Then we've got, are these different? No, these are Hancooks too, nice. 17-inch, 235 45s as well. They're rotational too, shit. Let's go inside. Little wear on the steering wheel, but it's a cheap car, you know, nothing crazy in here. It's got the power seats, it's got memory seats all the way, it's got automatic headlights, it's got the sunshades. It's super clean. Car is finally home in the driveway, 145 miles back here in Milwaukee, and I've been attempting here in the trunk. I don't know if these are factory zip ties. I don't think they are. I mean, I could be very wrong. I don't know too much about this car. I'm here learning. It's one of my dream cars, and if you take a look here, these are meant to touch, and it's just not quite long enough, which is why I'm trying to cut the zip tie. A good way to factory reset all of these is to touch these two terminals together and hold them there for a little while. It'll reset all the modules. And I'm gonna go ahead and see if that makes a difference and try to get them to touch. So the hood struts are broken, but I did get the car started today. I don't have it on film, but I don't know if I want to start it again because it sounded very bad. So it's crazy on day one. after just getting this car home on a no start issue, it started. And that's unbelievable. I'm very proud of that. However, if you take a look, timing, see this chain down right here? It's hard to see but there's no play, but if you look here, you'll hear it. See, look at that. A lot of play in this chain right here. Should have none. Something's fucked in the timing department here. Engine, motor not good. So we're gonna have to obviously start diving into this over the days here. It's a common problem. I was expecting it, low-key, honestly. Was definitely expecting timing failure. But as long as it wasn't driven for an extended period of time, the heads will probably be okay. I don't need any broken valves today. That wouldn't be very good. But, we're gonna see as we go here.
Yucky.
There we go. Holy shit. There's two.
Hold on.
There's two hives. Holy shit. Actually, well, pretty much. Oh, fuck. Plastic. Yeah, it's timing. Yep. Kind of figured. You best believe after that discovery, I'm not going to detail this car right now, but I do think it deserves a good wash. Enjoy this time-lapse cleaning Project Lockout.